Good morning, students. Today we'll start our first chapter in geography, that is the environment. In this topic, we'll be discussing few things. First, the definition or the meaning of environment, components of environment, and lastly, biotic and abiotic factors. So let's start with the very definition of the environment. Whatever we see in our surrounding makes the environment. Example, table, chair, school, car, parks, mountains, rivers, trees, and so on. So environment means the surroundings or conditions in which person, animal or plant lives or operates. Or you can say environment is the place, people, thing and nature that surround any living organism. It is a combination of natural and human-made resources. Moving towards the components of environment. So, it has three components. First, natural, second, man-made, and third one is human. So, in natural components, the natural surrounding comes. And what are these things that covers under this category? These are water, land, living things, and air. Moving towards man-made components. So all the things made by human beings comes under this category. What are these? Let's see. Buildings, parks, bridges, monuments, factories, roads, etc. And talking about human components, so it includes human related values and beliefs like family, individual, community, religion, education, political scenario, economic scenario, etc. Now we will see those important factors of environment that are abiotic and biotic. So we'll start from the abiotic factors. So what are the abiotic factors? Abiotic factors are the non-living parts of an ecosystem. It refers to non-living physical and chemical elements in the ecosystem. These are usually obtained from the lithosphere, atmosphere or hydrosphere. Now, we'll see a classification of these. Here you can see the classification of these two factors. Here in this circle we have the examples of abiotic factors, and in this particular circle you will be looking at all those factors that comes under the category of biotic factors. So what are biotic factors? Biotic factors are the living parts of an ecosystem, animals, plants and microorganisms. These are living or once living organisms in the ecosystem. Biotic components shape an ecosystem and are the living components in the organism's environment. So that's all for today. We'll be meeting soon with new topics and few more points. Till then, goodbye.